Hello students, welcome back to our channel Math with Us. In this video we are going to learn how to solve word problems of fractions. I have taken few examples. Let us solve them step by step. Let us read our first example. A woman spent 1/5 of her money on cakes and 1/2 of her money on fruits. What fractions of her money has been spent? What fraction is still left? Now, in order to find the fraction of money she has spent, we have to combine the money which she has spent on cakes and on fruits. So, for combining, we have to do the addition. Fraction of money spent is equals to 1 over 5 plus 1 over 2. Now, here denominators are unequal. So, in order to make the denominator, we get the LCD, lowest common denominator, as 10. So, we get here 5 multiplied 2 is 10, and here 2 multiplied 5 as 10. So, here we get 2 over 10 plus 5 over 10. So, the total fraction of the money spent will be 2 plus 5 over 10, 7 over 10, which is equals to 7 over 10. Now, fraction of money left will be 1 minus 7 over 10, which will be equals to 10 minus 7 over 10. So 3 by 10 is left. Now let us turn to the second example. The second example says, in a class there are 35 pupils. 2/5 of them are boys. Find the number of boys in the class. So we are being given the fraction of boys in the class equals to 2/5. So therefore the fraction of girls in a class will be 1 minus 2 over 5, which will be 3 over 5. Now, in order to get the number of boys in a class, we have to multiply the fraction of boys with the given number of pupils, that is 35. So, after cancellation, 5 times 1 is 5 and 5 times 7 is 35. After cancellation, we get the number of boys is 14. Number of boys is equal to 14. In this way, we can find out the fraction either by addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. Let us see two more examples. Now, third example says, at a film show, out of 450 spectators, 180 of them were adults. What fraction of the total number of spectators was children? So, total number of spectators here is equals to 450, and number of adults are 180. Therefore, number of children will be equals to 450 minus 180. You get here 270. Now, In order to get the fraction, we have to find the fraction of children. We have to divide total number of children divided by total number of spectator. So here we get common factor as 9. 9 times 3 is 27 and 9 times 5 is 45. So the fraction of total number of spectator of children are 3/5. Now let us start to our fourth example. A man did 1/3 of his journey by bus and 2/5 of it by car. What fraction of his journey did he travel in all? So, in order to find out the total fraction, we have to do the addition of the journey done by bus and by car. So, fraction of journey in all is equals to 1/3 plus 2/5. So here denominators are not equal, so we have to take out LCD, which will be 15. So here 3 times 5 is 15, and so goes for the numerator 1 times 5, and here 5 times 3 is 15, and the same number we have to multiply in the numerator. So 5/15 plus 6/15, which is equal to 11/15. So 11/15 is the fraction of his total journey. In this way we can solve this kind of examples. I hope this video is useful to you. Please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.